Hello Eddie, I'm looking for some new lights in the new year. I plan to get a tunnel light.
Yes, our tunnel light is very popular now. They are perfect for all kinds of automotive works and display.
I have reviewed your website and I saw 4 different models and some of them looks very similar. Can you tell me the difference of them?
The main difference is the width of the LED bar. The width of the SG1011 is 40 mm and the width for the model SG1009B is 100 mm and the width for the SG1006 is 240 mm. The model SG1011 and the model SG1009B, they are made by 6 LED arches. And the model SG1006, they are made by 5 LED arches.
I understand. And regarding the model SGE1015, I saw it also has side panels on the tunnel.
Yes, the panel lights on the SG1015 can switch 6500 Kelvin white or 3500 yellow. They are more suitable for the car wrapping and PPF works.
Okay, I had a general understanding. Please send me the quotation and the other details.
Light up your workshop. Find some star.